Hello, my name is Lily and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a hairstyle tutorial. I'm going to be doing Fulani inspired braids. So if you want to see that, keep watching. But first, before we go into the video, if you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you subscribe right now. Hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post new videos. So yeah, let's get into it. So I already parted my hair. I got the inspiration for this hairstyle on Instagram. I actually got it from Creative91 on Instagram. So this is going to be like a copycat video. I'm going to be attempting to recreate the style on my hair. My hair is a lot longer than mine, so I really do not know how this is going to look on my hair, but we'll just have to find out. So yeah, my hair is previously moisturized and kind of stretched right now. So I'll make this corner going backwards. So my hair is not freshly washed or anything. I washed my hair 1 week ago. I'm trying to get on a routine where I don't have to wash my hair as often. So now I wash my hair every 2 weeks, and I also do my DIY hair mask for dry hair every 2 weeks. I'm going to leave the link to that video in the card so you guys can go and check it out. So that's basically my routine. Wash and, should I call it deep condition? Like, okay, wash and deep condition my hair with my DIY hair mask every 2 weeks. So that's basically my routine right now. So I'm just making cornrow back. Then twirl the rest around my finger. For that, I'm going to be using shea butter, so my unwhipped shea butter. So I'll twirl the end around my finger with some shea butter on it. So this is going to be going back, right? Oh, it's not even neat. I don't know, I have a problem with making neat stuff. Like, oh god. Well, we'll just have to manage it like that. We'll have to manage it. I have a problem with making my styles neat. On day one, my style, look at how frizzy it is. It looks like it's like 5 weeks old. Maybe I did not make it tight enough. You can barely even see that it's a cornrow. So for this one, I'll make the cornrow here down, like down. I'm trying to make this style as neat as possible, so I'm parting with my comb, a rat tail comb. I'll try to make this one tighter so that it will be neat. Let's see how that goes. Yeah, I think this one is neater. This is not going to be neat at all. This is not going to be neat. But I'm going to continue anyways. So for this one, I'll make this one coming down so that it will fall on this. I'm done with this side. So now I'm just going to do the same thing on the other side. I'm done with this side, and I did a little more than what I said I was going to do. Like for this one, I did one layer up and one layer down. That's like 4 up, then 3 down. Then this one I did that also on this side, but then I added some more here. So I took like a little section from this part and did some down. Then I did this down too. So what I want to do is I want to do like some, I don't know how to explain it, but I really want to explain what I'm going to do before I go ahead and do, because I cannot show you guys everything on camera because the video will just be too long. So for this one, I'm going to do the same thing that I did here, like take out like a little here, do some here, add more here, do the same on this side. So I'm going to like take out some from this part. I'll take out some. Then this one I already brushed out, and I'll braid this one down. Then for the back, I'm going to do the back, like I'll take like some, put it here. Basically I want it to form like a bob shape all around, so like, you know, all around bob shape. I don't know how that will work out, but I'll come back to show you guys the finished results when I'm done. It's the next day and I'm done doing all the braids. I actually finished making the braids yesterday. I took a long break to go to the market to get some things and to buy the beads that I'm going to be using today. So I could not finish during the day yesterday. I finished in the night, so, and I filmed the daylight, so I could not come back yesterday to show you guys. But yeah, I'm done. This is what it looks like. It doesn't actually look bad now that I'm done. It doesn't look unneat like it did when I started. So now I'm going to go and insert the beads, and I'll be back to show you guys the results. So I'm back. I know I said I was going to come back when I finish inserting the beads, but I figured I'll show you guys how I secured the beads. So I did not get rubber bands because I totally forgot about rubber bands yesterday when I went to the market, and today is Sunday, so I don't know how it is in your country, but in Nigeria most shops do not open on Sunday, so it will just be a waste of time to go in search of rubber bands today. So I decided to use African threading band, the rubber thread. To it, for each braid I'm using 2 beads per braid, and I do not think the beads I got will be enough. So maybe some braids will not get beads. I don't know how I'm going to do that, but so I'm using my crochet needle. Then I'm also using 2 beads. I want the smaller beads to be down, so you guys can see. So I'm just going to insert my hair. Push this away so it doesn't disturb me. Then I'll pull the bead down until I have just a little bit of hair, not too much. Then wrap it over my hair, like on top of the bead. So when I wrap it to where the hair ends, I'll hold that in my hand, and I'm going to take the rubber thread that I talked about, take my pearl scissors, I'm cutting just a little bit. So just this much, and then I'm going to put the thread just a little into the bead, but not long enough so that it shows like under the bead, and add it to my head. And I'm just going to start to wrap it, just normally how you do the African threading method. I'm just going to wrap it down to secure the hair that I wrapped around this part previously. So I wrap it till I get to just the top of the bead, and then I'm going to tie the thread around my hair. I'm going to tie it 2 times just to make sure that it's tight enough. The thread hanging, I'm going to take my scissors and cut as close to the hair as possible. Then Whew. So I ran out of the small beads, like the smaller beads I use for wrapping the hair, and I do not have enough beads to continue to use 2 per braid. So now I've changed my technique. Let me just quickly show you guys what it's like. After inserting the bead, I'll take the rubber thread. This time around I'm using longer ones, and I'll just like wrap the ends of my hair with it. Then when I get like when I have like a little hair left, I bend it over, bend it up, and then I continue to wrap the thread around it. I'm doing this just to protect the ends of my hair from hanging loose and breaking and rubbing against surfaces. So I wrap it up. Then after wrapping it, I'll still take like the rest of the hair down and bend it over again and wrap. Wrap it until when I feel like the end is big enough that the bead will not fall out, and then I'll tie the thread around my hair 2 times. Then the little thread left, I bend it up, and then I cover that with the bead. So this is what it looks like. So this is how the rest of my hair is going to be. I'm done doing all my hair. The beads were not enough, so some cornrows do not have beads. So tomorrow I'm going to go out and get some more beads that look like this, so that I'll add to the cornrows that do not have beads. So yeah, this is pretty much what it looks like. I like the movement my hair has. So let me give you guys a close up. So I really like how it turned out. Normally I know wear my styles for long, but I think this one is going to be different. I think I'm going to wear this for long because I am really feeling how my hair looks right now. Whoa. So that brings us to the end of this video. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.